Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Vehicles with AutoDrive leave in neutral. Vehicles with manual transmission leave in gear. Then set the parking brake. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, leaks, worn components, and loose fasteners that may impair the vehicle's operation. Check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage. Check the tire pressure and tread depth and verify that they are to specification. Take a look at the wheels and inspect for loose, damaged, or missing wheel nuts. Now open the hood and inspect the front suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. After this, inspect the rear suspension. Inspect the brake pads and rotors looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. Inspect the rear drive belt for wear or damage. Next, inspect the fluid levels. Ensure the vehicle is on a level surface before inspecting fluid levels. Inspect the coolant level in the overflow bottle at the rear of the engine bay. Add coolant as needed. Coolant level should only be checked or added on a cold engine. Inspect the brake reservoir for proper fluid level. Add fluid as needed. Next, ensure the vehicle is in a well-ventilated area to check the engine oil level. To do this, start the engine and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting, verify the low oil pressure light and other warning lights are not illuminated. View the fuel level to make sure you have enough fuel for your trip. Then, check the steering wheel for smooth operation from full left to full right. Now, inspect the headlights and high beams for proper operation. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn the engine off and open the hood. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed. Do not overfill. Then close the hood. Now power the vehicle on and inspect the turn signals and hazards for proper operation. Then inspect the tail light, brake lights, turn signals, and hazards for proper operation. Press the horn button and verify the horn sounds loudly. Inspect the seat belts and check the length of the belt for any damage. Test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Next, pull the brake lever with the vehicle in neutral and verify the vehicle does not roll. Then, verify proper brake and pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. After this, adjust the side mirrors. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.